Hello there, and welcome to Supervisely. My name is As, and today we'll continue to work with medical images in Supervisely context. In one of our previous blog posts, we already have shown you how to work with 3D DICOM data. Don't forget to check it out in the description below. This time, we will focus only on the 2D case. I will show you how to import, annotate, set up the environment, and export the labeled data. Let's dive in. Okay, what do we have here? We have a cardio.zip project. It's already prepared for you, so you can always download it from our blog post to be sure that you correctly reproduce our steps while importing data. Okay, what have we here? We have a new project settings window. You just click here, new project wizard, call this name called cardio. Then select images, and this is very important, medical 2D. Why is that? The thing is that every type of image project has its own labeling interface, and medical differs from others. Okay, project is successfully created. We need to now import data. Click on it, then drag and drop our already prepared project. Let's wait. Voila, it's imported. Now let's open it. After importing the project, you will notice here an already grouped pack of 4 medical images. As you can see, they are grouped by tags. The tags are auto-generated from the metadata of DICOM. Here how it works. You can push more, select multiple images view mode, and select the preferred tag. For example, you can switch to series instance UID. After switching the tag, you can adjust windowing settings. This is done to ensure that you have a good visibility of tissues and other human structures of medical images. Here how you can do it. Push button of windowing and select one of our already done presets. For example, for this mammary gland, we will choose mammary gland preset. See how it's much better in structures and all. Let's adjust this to every single structure. Of course, you can adjust it in a specific case. For example, if you need to highlight more brightness or give it more contrast, you can press your left button and move it to the right or to the left. Okay, after adjusting the windowing and making grouping of images, we have a set of pretty arranged medical images which we can annotate. To help the process and make it easier, let's connect on the first image. Push this button and then create a class called breast. You can take any of shapes you want. We will choose polygon. Great. Now let's annotate. We have created a new object of class breast. Let's tag it by the tag mammary. To make it, push this button, name it mammary, and make it applicable to objects to ensure that you would be able to applicate it on images. Great. Just unhighlight it. Do you see this tissue? This is mammary gland by itself. Let's define it too by the object of breast. Nice. Let's tag it as some other tag. For example, we will call it gland. Selecting objects, Boom. Now we have one class classified with two different tags. Bam. And must, and this must. Okay. Let's reproduce the steps and annotate other three images. Now that's it, simple as that. After we tagged and classified every pixel using our breast structure, let's export the project. To export the project, just follow these steps. Open your projects, choose one, and make download. Export as Supervisely format. Push this button, run. Great. Let's wait. Here we have it downloaded. Now we have a recorded cardio downloaded project. Let's re-export it in Supervisely again. For that, choose one of our apps. Import images in Supervisely format. Run app. Choose file as input format. And then drag and drop one of our previously downloaded tar archives. Waiting until it's imported. Boom. The image is uploaded very simply and quickly. In just a few seconds, it will be uploaded and you could import it as a new project. Now it is. That's it. As you can see, the re-exported project preserved every single structure we have already annotated. That's it. That's it for today's tutorial. For more detailed guide, please refer to our blog post or Supervisely documentation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to ensure that you do not miss any of other upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time and happy annotating!